guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie here and I'm really excited about today's video because today I'm going to be styling my top favorite 7 jeans from my collection in more than 50 ways. Yup, I think this is my most hardworking video on my channel because it was not just a one-day shoot, but it literally took me like 3 or 4 days to execute the entire shoot, and I'm super excited to know your reviews. Basically, I'm going to pick up my favorite 7 jeans from my collection and I'm going to be styling them with tops and kurtis, and I think I will create very minimal and simple looks so that maximum girls can relate to the video and all the looks. So yes, keeping the introduction very crisp and short, let's get started. You guys know the drill. If you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a like, share it, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, please make all the efforts worth by subscribing. And yes, let's get started with the video. So guys, let's first begin with the most popular category of jeans, which is a skinny pair of denims. These are really tight fitted and they fit you like a glove and have a narrow cut. I particularly feel that they look amazing with loose t-shirts if remain untucked. Here I am carrying a white sling bag, matched it with my white shoes and made a half top knot bun, and I'm ready for a very casual and sporty day. So next up, I'm wearing this floral printed top. It has a V-neck and it has elastic on the waist and it flares as it goes down to the hips. Now I particularly feel that this sort of a look is so appropriate to be worn with these skinny denim jeans because, you know, oversized anything with skinny jeans looks really great. I've created like an Indo-Western bohemian sort of look by wearing these silver earrings, and I think it's looking quite well balanced together. Who says you can't make a kurta look sporty? Here I am wearing a very loose kurta with these skinny denim jeans, and I think it's looking really chic and so comfortable just to go out for a casual shopping. I am wearing the same white shoes, carrying the same white sling bag, made the same half top knot one, and wow, this is so appropriate. And this is another look with a kurta, but it's a chikankari kurta, so I wanted to give it an Indian twist. So I'm wearing white kolhapuri chappals, and again this loose fitted kurta with skinny denim jeans is looking really nice for like an evening puja at home or at a friend's home. So for all my girls who like to be chirpy, fun and free-spirited, I think this is a perfect look where I have worn an off-shoulder top which has a lot of volume on the sleeves. I think it's perfect to be worn with such skinny denim jeans. I have worn these tie-up lace heels with it, and I think it's so appropriate for a day look. Here's another day look where I have worn this gingham pattern top. It's a one-side off-shoulder top, and again same heels I've worn, same jeans, and I think it's a very playful sort of look. So here I wanted to give you a few options with peplum tops. Now this is actually a jacket which, you know, has like this front tie lace and it is giving an illusion of a peplum top. So peplum tops basically flare down, you know, as it goes down to the thighs, so it looks very well balanced and well put together with such skinny denim jeans. Here again I'm showing you another example of a peplum shirt. Again I feel that, you know, with such tight fitted jeans, something which is voluminous on the top looks really nice and very seamless, very balanced. How could I not show you a look with a white shirt? It's a work shirt, left untucked for a rugged look, and it has a soft turn down collar. I have worn these silver hoops, paired a silver watch with it, and worn these clear strap heels for a very feminine edgy look. And just to make it more I think formal and appropriate to be worn to office. You can wear a kurta over such a white shirt. This sort of a kurta has flared sleeves and it's a high-low pattern, and again because of so much of volume of the kurta, it's looking very well balanced with these sort of skinny denim jeans. Coming to the next category of jeans, which appears a bit similar with skinny jeans but are not. These are slim fitted jeans which are more casual in look, not too tight, and ensure more comfort, yet they are also tapered in the ankle. Now I feel that these sort of slim fitted jeans look really nice with sweatshirts, as I've shown you in the previous look, and here also you can see. I think sweatshirts with slim fit jeans ensure utmost comfort, so you can definitely wear them while you are traveling and you are on the go. Also, this sort of look I think is perfect to be worn to the airport or even on a road trip when you just want to fold your legs and just sit down in comfort. Now, just like how skinny jeans look really great with peplum tops, even slim fit jeans look really well balanced with peplum tops. So here I've worn these long Indian earrings with this sort of a look just to add that bohemian touch, and I've worn these brown platform choppers which are matching with my top, and I think it's a great Indo-Western look. In my next look, I worn a very loose white top which has these statement sleeves, flared pattern of sleeves, and I have tucked the top half from the front, and I think it's looking really well balanced because of that reason with these slimmy fitted pair of denim jeans. And yes, I've worn these very delicate gold earrings, and in my next look you can see I'm wearing a very feminine top which has this lavender color. It is cropped on the waist, and I think this is perfect for all those girls who really like to embrace their curves and flaunt their waist or with such high-waisted or mid-rise slim fit pair of denim jeans. Yet another look with a kurta. This is a striped pattern of kurta. I made my hair in a top knot bun and worn these Kolhapuri flat chappals. Now this look is screaming sporty vibes. Top knot bun, a round high neck and boots. Yes, I think it's a very sporty and casual look. I've folded my jeans from the hem, and yes, good to go. In the next look, again you can see it's like the neck is a bit choker kind of, and it has floral prints all over. Very easy going, super comfortable and chic. I definitely wanted to create a bohemian look with a kurta. This is a very pastel color kurta, and I have worn silver neck piece with like a green stone paired with silver ring, silver watch and brown platform chappals. So yes, definitely something which is giving those bohemian vibes in an Indian kurta. So in case you're bored with tucking your shirts inside jeans in the regular way, this is a great way to tuck your shirt half from inside and leave it untucked half from the other side, and this was inspired from none other than Kareena Kapoor Khan. So guys, moving on to the next kind of denim jeans, which is a flared palazzo kind of denim jeans. Now I think such t-shirt dresses look really great with these kind of denim jeans if you fold them well inside. Now give them just one fold and tuck it inside your denim jeans, and I think you are good to go. It gives an illusion of wearing a top tucked inside your jeans, and also because denim is a heavy fabric, the crease line does not show. Also because it's a flared pattern, these kind of jeans are well fitted on the waist, but they really flare down as it goes down to your ankle. So I think it's really a great way to make yourself look taller, and I think it elongates your legs. Now another great way to pair such flared kind of denim jeans is by wearing a crop top. This one's a very tight fitted crop top, and I think it's making my waist look slimmer, and also I think it's highlighting my curves. It's making me flaunt my waist and my curves. I have worn a fanny pack and paired it with similar color kind of platform chappals, and I think it's such a casual look, very free spirited and easy going. Now there's another look where I have worn another sort of crop top which is a bit loose fit. It's t-shirt kinda, and I've worn a bum bag on the waist. And yeah, again a very easy going look, perfect for a Sunday brunch and a casual outing with friends. Now here's another sort of crop top which is more party like, and I think I absolutely love how this is looking so well balanced, like this crop top with high waisted flared denim jeans and pairing my black heels with the black sling bag, and I think it's just so party appropriate. So in my next look, I'm wearing this printed cold shoulder shirt, and I made this front knot just to give those retro kind of vibes, and I think this is so daytime appropriate because of that casual white sling bag which I'm carrying. I've worn black heels, and yes, I'm just ready to go out for a casual outing with my friends. And I wanted one look with a kurta dress, but I chose this kurta because it has no slits on the side. So yes, I call it a kurta dress. It has buttons going on the bottom and tassels in the front, and I've carried this black sling bag, and I think it's really looking very nice and well paired together. So guys, let's move on to the next category of denim jeans, which is a straight fit denim jeans. Now these are the latest and most trending and popular in 2020s. Here I'm wearing it with a neon green top. I worn white shoes, and I'm carrying a backpack just to make it more appropriate for all the college or tuition going girls. Next look is very casual, sporty, and I feel very laid back sort of look. I'm wearing a white crop top, and I'm wearing this bum bag on my waist, same white shoes, and yes, that's about it. In my next look, I'm wearing an olive green top which has these flared sleeves, and I'm wearing this stack of bracelets with a watch, and also tucked in my top from one side to give it an edgier look. In my next look, I'm wearing a very short kurta which has just some slit on the side, and I'm wearing this very delicate earrings with it. Kept my hair open on one side, and I think this is a great way to pair your short kurtas with such straight fit denim jeans. So in my next look, I am wearing a very balloon fitted kind of top which has this elastic on the bottom, so that is why it's giving an illusion of that balloon fit. I'm carrying this black sling, and it's a printed top, and I think it's looking really perfect with these straight fit denim jeans. So here's a cold shoulder top with these pom-pom on the shoulders, and these are balloon sleeves which has elastic on the wrist, so that's why these sort of exaggerated sleeves are looking so nice. I think they are a statement in itself, and they just speak for itself. I particularly love these kind of tops, so I've tucked it inside my jeans, and I've carried this white sling bag again, worn block heels just to elongate my look, and I'm good to go for a Sunday brunch. So for my next look, I'm wearing these very delicate feminine earrings in gold accent, and I'm wearing an A-line skater dress, and I feel that if you have such A-line dresses, then you can definitely wear them with these sort of straight fit denim jeans, wear heels, carry a nice statement box clutch, and you're good to go. I think it's so party appropriate in case you don't want to show your skin. So guys, next up I have another category of jeans, which is bootcut jeans, which is kind of a cousin to flared jeans. They are narrow and well fitted on the thighs, but they really flare down as it goes down to your ankles. I've worn a very loose t-shirt which has this text on it, and I've tucked it inside. Now here's another look, again a t-shirt, but I have not tucked it inside. I have left it untucked because this is a well fitted t-shirt, so yeah, I thought that it will look better on the out, and this is, I think, a very casual and laid back sort of look. So So now this is a great way to wear your bootcut jeans and show your curves by wearing a nice well fitted turtleneck top or maybe a bodysuit, that just helps in embracing and I think flaunting your curves. And yes, I feel that bootcut jeans, particularly in ankle length, are such a big trend in 2020, guys. So guys, this one's a no-brainer look. I'm wearing a very casual black spaghetti with these bootcut jeans, and I think it's adding so much oomph factor to my whole vibe. I think this is kind of look where you want to show that you've not put too much effort into dressing up, but yeah, you want to do it in a subtle manner. Now this look is for like a formal corporate dinner maybe. I'm wearing a white blouse and carrying this black sling bag with these bootcut jeans. I think bootcut jeans itself look a bit formal and like very polished, so something you can wear to a corporate dinner. Again, in the next look you can see I'm wearing a gray satin blouse, again something which is so appropriate for like a corporate meet. I'm carrying this Aldo bag and I've worn these brown strappy heels, and yes, I think it's again something which is very evening appropriate. So next up, I'm wearing this red striped blouse with these tie-up laces on the front, and I think it's very summer appropriate. I think these sort of blouses really look nice with bootcut jeans, and this one's inspired from Kareena Kapoor, as you can see her wearing somewhat similar top on the right. And here again, it's a semi-formal look. I think so appropriate for a corporate meeting because of that printed thing going on the shirt. I think it's giving very nice semi-formal vibe. And I'm matching my bag with my shoes. I'm wearing like these brown strappy heels, and also I am matching the handle of the bag with my gold accent earrings. So everything's so well balanced together. So guys, next up I have these ripped pair of denim jeans which are casual street style and so chic, but I've worn this mesh dress on it. I'm wearing a black spaghetti on the inside. I'm wearing these long pom-pom earrings, black sling bag, and I think it's so feminine, so party appropriate, and it's like so street style. And next I'm wearing these ripped denim jeans with this high-low kurta which has this zebra print on it. I'm matching my bag with the print on the kurta, and also I'm matching my buttons of the kurta with these long diamond earrings which I'm wearing. Again, something which is very feminine, very polished, but again because of these distressed looking jeans, I think it's very street style, such a chic look, so to say. Next up I'm wearing this very casual sort of red spaghetti top which has a lot of flare on the bottom, and I'm carrying this crossbody bag. I think that this sort of look is very appropriate for all the free spirited girls and outgoing girls, and in case you don't want to show so much of skin because of the ribbed thing also, then you can just give it a layer with a shrug, and I think this is again now something very appropriate which I think most girls will be very comfortable wearing, especially again as I said, if you're not comfortable showing too much of skin. Now, if you are someone who loves to give that distressed look with a kurta, I think you can wear a kurta with such ripped denim jeans. Ripped denims are anyway those narrow fitted jeans, but if you guys wanna like give that subtlety to your like ripped pattern of jeans while walking, then I think this is really great to pair up your kurtas with these ripped pattern of jeans. And now for my last look with these ripped denim jeans, I'm wearing a geometric pattern top which has these mega sleeves, and I've tucked the top inside. Now because the top is so loud and has this geometric print going on, I did not wear a lot of accessories but just one watch and kept my entire look very minimal. Now the last category of jeans which I wanted to show you is these boyfriend or baggy jeans, which are loose fitted, slouchy and very relaxed looking kind of jeans. Now I wanted to give it a dressier version, so I've worn this sequin top with it, and I've also worn these long diamond earrings to match with the sequins work, and I think it's so looking, you know, like dressed up and party appropriate. I'm wearing these clear strap heels just to elevate my entire look. And in the next look, yet again, I'm making these distressed looking jeans look so well polished and well balanced with this sort of black top with such exaggerated and statement sleeves. I particularly feel that these sort of exaggerated sleeves and organza kind of sleeves are so in. I wore this look for my birthday, and here you can see on the right how I paired it all together. I actually created the same look. So yes, this is, I think, a great way to, you know, make your distressed and boyfriend jeans look well appropriate. Again, you can layer it with a slim blazer and you are ready for a party. I think these are all very ultra feminine and classy looks. It's like giving your distressed looking jeans a polished and very elevated look. And for my last look of the video, guys, I'm wearing these boyfriend jeans with this baggy sort of top which I've tucked it inside just to create like a well balanced look. And I have worn this hair tie as a neck piece just to make it look, I think, edgy. And that's about it for the video. So guys, this is it for the video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching all the looks that I created. Please let me know in the comment section which were your favorite looks, because I'm sure there are many. And yes, I will soon be coming up with my updated hair care routine video in the next week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yes, इस वीडियो को ज़रूर like करना, share करना, and I will see you all very soon. Until then, lots of love. Bye. Take care.